If you are unable to download media from WhatsApp application, then let us see some of the ways by which we can try to fix the issue. Now obviously, to download the media from WhatsApp application, you need internet connection in your device. So try to open any website or a YouTube video to make sure that there is internet connection in your device. Now the next thing that you have to do is you have to make sure that the date and time is correct in your device. If the date and time is not correct, then your device won't be able to connect to the WhatsApp server. So in case if the date and time is incorrect, you can go to settings, then you can go to general management, date and time, and then you can select this option automatic date and time, so that the date and time will be set according to the mobile network that is used in your device. In case if this does not set the date and time correctly, you can disable this option automatic date and time. Then you can tap on this option set date to set the date manually. Also you can tap on this option set time, so that you can set the correct time manually. So in any case, the date and time should be correct in your device. The other thing that can be done is you can go to settings again. You will scroll down and you will go to apps. After that, what you will do, you will scroll down and then you will look for WhatsApp application. For me, I have installed GB WhatsApp application, so the process is same. So we will open this application. We will go to storage and we will select this option clear cache, so that we can delete the cache files for WhatsApp application. Don't delete the data. If you select this option clear data, then whatever the chats are present in your WhatsApp application will be deleted. So only clear the cache files. Now the other option is to look how much of space is left in our device. So we will go to settings again. We will scroll down. We will go to device care. We will go to storage. And you have to check if there is space left in your device or not. For me, I have 11.5 gigabyte left in the internal memory, whereas in my SD card also I have some space left. If you don't have, then you can see from this list what is taking up more space in your device. If you see in my case, applications, they are taking 28.7 gigabyte, and after that images, they are taking 1 gigabyte. So in case if I don't have space in my device, I will delete unnecessary applications from my device, as well as I will delete unnecessary videos and images from my device, so that I can make some space in my device and medias can be downloaded from WhatsApp to my device. The next thing is, if you are downloading the medias from WhatsApp application to your SD card, then what you do is, there might be a problem with the SD that you have used in your device. So remove the SD card and then reinsert it again to check if this will fix the issue. Also, you can format the SD card and then check if this will fix the issue or not. Hopefully you will be able to solve the issue.